Welcome to episode 7 of our IBM Security Verify Governance webinar series. Today, we're going to cover advanced rules. Rules are merely snippets of Java code which apply business logic to our identity events. You can see some samples on screen now. Where do we find these rules? Well, let's log into our SVG administration console. We shall select Access Governance Core. Then select the Configure tab, and finally we'll select the Rules option. In here we shall see an array of rule classes and events within which our rule snippets are placed. In this example, you can see some out-of-the-box rule snippets for the Create User flow. Additionally, there are a bunch of sample pieces of code that you can take a look at and analyze. So rules operate on events. Those events could be create, delete, and modify operations for a variety of data objects, such as identities, accounts, entitlements, organizational units. So what is an advanced rule then? Well, an advanced rule is a rule which you will want to run at specific times to perform specific actions. The gorgeous code you are looking at right now is a case in point. This code is meant to run once a day. It is meant to find all active identities with a termination date in the past and suspend all accounts associated with those identities. The code is developed in Java, right? So where's the Javadoc to help explain these classes and methods? Well, you can find the Javadoc embedded within the appliance. So if we log in to the appliance console and navigate to Configure, then Custom File Management, we'll find an SDK folder inside of which there will be an sdk.zip file. If we open up that file, we'll find the Javadocs in the format that you can see on screen now. Let's give one of these rules a bit of a rattle through our demonstration environment. So we log into our administration console, we'll go to our Access Governance Core, and what we'll do is we'll take a look at a particular individual. Here she is. If we take a look at her extended data, we'll see that she has a termination date that happens to be in the past. If I now navigate to the Task Planner, this is where I will configure my advanced rules, and I've got one set up called Advanced Lever Processing. We can see in here it's got a job associated with it that will run the rule flow that we've already developed. I can also schedule the job to run at a specific time or as a one-off. I'll run it as a one-off right now. And we can see that this job has gone green, and now if I hit refresh, it's gone red, it is completed already. If we now go back to our Access Governance Core, we should be able to see what the result of that job actually was. And we can see straight away that Claudia is greyed out in comparison to all her peers, and that means she's been suspended. If we take a look at her accounts, we can see that the padlock symbol says that both accounts owned by Claudia are in a suspended state. What have we learned today? Well, we know that rules help us shape the actions to be applied to data objects, and they run during events such as create, update, and delete operations on a wide variety of data objects. But crucially, rules can also be scheduled to run as an advanced rule, enabling us to declare our own lifecycle events. Thanks for watching this brief introduction to advanced rules within the IBM Security Verify Governance platform. Hope you found it enjoyable. You can find out more information on the tool and the rules on our website at www.madigansolutions.com. Thanks for watching.